Good morning friends. Today I am here to explain to you our product just in time. Per year there are more than 1.3 million people who die due to road accidents with an average of more than 3,000 people per day. But the majority of these people can be saved if medical help can be provided to them in time. So our product is made to cater to this need. Our product basically works in three parts. One, after there is an accident, immediately an SMS and email is sent to nearby hospital and pre-specified numbers of relatives and friends. Second, according to the longitude and latitude, the person's geographical location is given through SMS and email. And third, all the data from the sensor is uploaded to cloud for further analysis. Now I'll show you the setup. This over here is a piezoelectric sensor which will demonstrate when the accident takes place. Then this piezoelectric sensor has two wires, one which goes to the analog pin of the Arduino and the second which goes to the ground. Then we have an LED to visually demonstrate when there is an accident. Then this is the serial port which is connected to my laptop, and this has Python in it which will give us more features like SMS and email. Now I'll show you it's working. So this is what happens when there's an accident. Now first I'll upload the Python code. So this over here is a Python code which will compile. Now this is how the accident occurs. So now the Python over here is calculating nearby hospitals and where to send the SMS. Now you can see a SMS has been sent. See this? You can see the time over here is 12:48 and the message time is also 12:48. And this has my name. I had an accident and this is my location. The location is found out using the IP address. Using the IP address we find the longitude and latitude, and from that we pinpoint the nearest location where it is possible. Now we'll show you the email. See this over here, this is the new email. You can see the time, which is the time over here is 12:48 and the system time is also 12:49 if you can see, and this is 1 minute. I have just sent a string over here that I have had an accident. Now we'll show you how it works. Now I'll show you the nearby hospitals. Python is have to see this. This shows this is the hospitals, their contact number and their website. This will show all the nearby hospitals near the longitude and latitude where the accident has taken place. Now we'll go to Azure where all the data of the cloud goes. This over here is a data from the sensors. Data analysis can be performed on this. For example, based on the common longitude and latitude where accident take place, we can find out the places where the accident happened most frequently, and based on that location we can decide to increase more ambulance over there and more police over there, and also the speed limit. So this is the data in the Azure, which is a cloud, and this is available. This is made by Microsoft. Now that's it. This is how our product works. Thank you.